John, what is the area of circle? It is pi r squared.
Hello everyone, welcome once again to Benny Tutors YouTube channel. So in this channel I'm going to be showing you, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I was able to make the video you just watched. Yes, and I make it talk. You understand? I was able to make that webtoon cartoon and I was actually able to make it talk. You understand? So now you're using grok.com as usual. So now this is the prompt I gave it. This prompt is saying here, and this is the images I got. So I'll be using this one now. So I'll pick this one. Then I'll type turn it. Have you seen it now? Turn it into a webtoon cartoon. Then you click on this arrow. Okay, I love it. So I'll pick one. Let me pick this one. Then you download it. You can either make it talk like this, make a video on it, or you can just turn it to a webtoon cartoon. So it's a choice. But in this video, I want a webtoon cartoon. So I'm going to Pixel Lab. Default. So you come to this fourth option from gallery. Then I'll pick my picture, my image. So now you go to this third option, shapes. So I'm picking this particular shape. So now, okay. So I want this one to talk. Let's say this. Okay, let me rotate it. Now, so type John. What is the area of the circle? Okay, so now I'll just can make it smaller and give it color black. You can change the font. Have you seen it now? What is the area of a cycle? So now you can just duplicate the shape, copy, and bring it here. Duplicate, you can just copy this one. So I'm so sure you're seeing it. So have you seen that now? Okay. So we are done. So you can click on this upper part here and save the image. So we are now going to upload a file. Okay, so just click on it You don't need to impute any prompts. So just click on the arrow. That's all. Since you're not changing anything, so let it upload the image. Okay, so this is it. So pick anyone, click on make video. So now I want to give it a prompt now. Customize video. Funny, I understand. So it's not giving me what I want. So that's why I had to change the prompt. It's saying something else. I'm sure it loads up to 100% before, so it might take a while, but just be patient. The reason why you're not hearing the voice is because I'm making a screen record, so that's why you're not hearing the voice. Once you're done, just download it. So you can hear with this, you can make as many videos of this as possible. Download it so you can make a consistent video of this. So let me show you how to make a consistent video of this now. So now if you want it to do something else, if you want this particular video to do something else, just click on it, click on what's the one you want and change the prompts. Make both of them to it. Ensure you're using that same image, you understand? So you have to use that same image so that it can be consistent. Don't change the image, you understand? So you see it now. Have you seen it now? So have you seen it? So this is it. So if you want to even pick now, you can just pick this one. You get it now? You can just pick this one and download it and save it, you understand? So if you want to create another prompt, you come here and create the prompt, you understand, and it will keep giving you what you actually created. You understand? The prompt will give it to keep giving you that prompt. Do you understand? So that's how to create consistent image. You get it now? So once you're done, you go to Pixel Lab and what, give it a Webtoon, give it its words, it's a caption, then you come back here and make it talk. So it's as simple as that. It's very easy. You can go this year 2026, try as much as possible to create a YouTube channel, pick a niche and start creating all these Webtoon characters, make them talk. If you don't want them to talk, you can just leave it like that. You get it now? You can even create novels from them, you understand? And there are some online platforms whereby you can share them and do you understand? So if this video has actually helped you, please do well to subscribe. If you are yet to subscribe, do well to like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.